Okay, we start to make a banana milk bread. The ingredient is the flour, the bread flour. This is yeast, dry yeast, and this one sugar, softener, and improver. And this time I will use banana. I already blended it, and warm milk. First, I mix all together the ingredient. I stirring like this. I'm mixing for 5 minutes. I add salt. And now I try to give it a little first. And then I put a little bit milk. I'm going to crack the egg. I will give it 2 eggs. After that, I'm giving the butter to the dough. I'm kneading the dough for 10 minutes. I'm giving the oil, the cooking oil, 1 tablespoon. The reason why I give the 1 tablespoon cooking oil, because I'm finished kneading. Keep it 1 hour until the dough double size, they rising perfectly. Keep it 1 hour. After double size, you can use the oil if you feel like sticky. So 1 bread measure is 125. It will resting 20 minutes. I'll cover with my cloth. Now I'm preparing for my stove. I'm baking the bread for 20 minutes with 100 degrees. For 275 degrees 10 minutes. for melt the cheese and little bit dry and crispy the bread. They are very crispy and cheesy. Eat them with the coffee or tea, it will be nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.